Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to another week of learning. I know a lot of you have been working really hard on catching up on your missing assignments, but today we have problem of the day, letter A, and I'm going to read it for you. There are ladybugs in the garden. 4 ladybugs sit on a leaf. 2 more ladybugs fly onto the leaf. How many ladybugs are on the leaf? Now remember, when we see a word problem, we have to think about the solve method. And the solve method helps us with our thinking about the problem. S, we underline the question and we ask ourselves, what is this problem asking me to find? And this problem is asking us to find the amount of ladybugs on the leaf. So I'm going to put a check. But in S, we also need to underline the question. And the question is, how many ladybugs are on the leaf? Then we move to the letter O. And the letter O, we circle the important parts and cross out the unimportant parts. So what's important? We need to know how many ladybugs were on the leaf at the beginning of the math story. And there were 4 ladybugs. And then we need to know what happened next. 2 more ladybugs fly onto the leaf. What is not important? Well, ladybugs in the garden. We do not need this sentence to help us solve our problem. So we're going to put check and check. And we can draw a picture of our ladybugs, right? We can have our 4 ladybugs, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the leaf. And then we have 2 more came on the leaf. All right, so we have the number 4 and we have the number 2 and check. I am going to use my 10 frame next to explain what happened in this story. And this is my 10 frame. And we had 4 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4 ladybugs on the leaf, and then 2 more came, and I'm going to show you my 2 more using a different color. 1, 2. Now if we look at my 10 frame, we see we have the 4 red and 2 yellow. Those are our parts. Okay, so we can use that information to fill our number bonds, and the parts are the 4 and the 2. And now we need to know how many all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our whole is 6. And if we go back to our picture and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we realize that when we use our pictures and our number bonds, our answer is 6. And I'm going to go right ahead and put the 6 in my answer key. Let's check our answer again using another strategy. Let's use our cubes. Right? So I need 4 ladybugs were on the leaf, and then 2 more ladybugs came to join them. And this is a putting together problem. So I'm going to put my cubes together, and now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to draw my cubes. I had my 4, and then I put together 2 more. And again, it's 6. Okay, now remember, the problem is asking us to find the amount of ladybugs. So after I put my 6 in the answer key, I have to write ladybugs. L-A-D-Y-B-U-G-S. Because that is what the problem is asking us to find. Let's jump back to our equation. What were our parts? Look at our cube. And look at our 10 frame. They're almost the same, right? We had the 4 and the 2 on the 10 frame, and we had the 4 and the 2 more using our cubes. So it's 4 and 2. We know we got 6. Let's think about what sign we put here. It is a putting together problem. So we use the plus or the addition sign. That looks like a little T. Okay, I am going to leave the number line and the 10 frame because I did my 10 frame here for you. And I want you guys to check your answer and try these 2 strategies on your own to see if you're able to get 6 ladybugs. Have a good day, boys and girls, and see you tomorrow.